So now this is going to be a little different. This is going to be a situation where we stack. Oop. Dropped it in the neutral. Boy, is this icy. Wow. So this is all grass under here. Could be why it's so icy. But also, like I say, we've had some pretty heavy rains. And we've had some 40-degree days, so really everything has a pretty healthy layer of ice under it. I'm getting better about using the power shuttle or the shuttle shift, but one thing that I still have trouble with is I will use the foot clutch and I'll use the push button clutch. I do not know why I cannot get myself trained out of that, but boy, is it challenging for me to not hit both. Like, I don't think it really matters. But it would help me, like here, stacking, because I can just swap to my first gear. And stack it like that, rather than, you know, it's really not beneficial, obviously, to sit there and feather the clutch the whole time. Boy, it's still snowing good. Bellissimo, friends, bellissimo. Oh, okay. Well, that whole road is done. But this isn't. My goal here is I'm shooting it high and trying not to aim it at the lights any more than I have to, so that I don't take a light out. I'm talking about these, you know, yard light type things here. Oh, the truck's gone. So apparently my dad must be plowing. Oh yeah, there's a Subaru right there. Scared me because I was backing into that spot. Well, that looks good. So like I say, this will inevitably end up getting cleaned up a little bit further tomorrow. So we'll knock this, we'll knock this stuff ahead of me into a pile and we'll push it up into that big pile we just made. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's our video for today. If you're new here, I'd sure love to have you join me again. And so if you could hit that sub button, I would sure love that. So, and if you enjoyed my video, I'd love it if you hit the thumbs up on it. And if you'd like to watch another one of my plow videos, there's another one right here. So I'll talk to you later. See you there.